Good morning, everybody. Today we were going to discuss about the establishment of strategic intent, and in that topic, we are going to see a case analysis regarding the uh, uh, data-driven decision making and supply chain management. So still now we were discussing a lot about strategic management, that dimensions of strategic management, the intent, then the internal, the external, everything. So just a recap. So we have already discussed about dimensions, benefits and risk involved in strategic management, evaluation of strategic management, business vision, how to frame a good business vision, mission, and importance of that, and the concept of making goals and objective, how to attain them, all that we have been discussing. And this is a case about a company X is a leading player in the retail industry, is facing intense competition from new entrants in the market. So the company, how we are going to frame the company's competitive edge, achieving how to achieve a sustainable growth and position itself in a competitive world and withstand for a long-term success. So we have already discussed about the strategy, about framing a good mission and vision, then setting a goal and objective, then setting a strategy. And this is an inverse triangle because to attain, so we are coming in reverse. So attain proper goals and objectives, we have to frame a strategy. So for framing a strategy, we have to plan a very good mission and vision that is to be framed. So customer experience and enhancing in store and online customer relations. We are going to analyze how the customer relation is, what are the experience that they have, good and bad, everything is to be analyzed. Then the price and promotion strategy. So if what is the criteria for reducing the manufacturing cost, what is the cost framed by the competitor, all is to be seen. And promotional strategy, in that how to promote your product into the competitive world and how to sell your product at best prices to be framed. Then supply chain optimization, where we have to frame the concept like procuring of raw materials and manufacturing the products and sending it to the end customer. All this chain of transferring goods and service, all these logistics have to be planned properly. Then data analytics and inside sales. What is the trend in the market? What is the customer's behavior of buying behavior? All is to be seen. Then for this, these are the analysis that we have to do. Then we are moving into the solution, how to solve and help company X in overcoming all the situations. So we will develop a comprehensive strategy where we'll recheck the process of sales that to be promoted, then the operations that is happening inside the organization while manufacturing, then where is the market, what is the customer service, is the customer receiving a valuable product, then inventing a tech or we can have some new technological concepts introducing into our organization, like omni channels where we have online and offline sales, then focusing on cost engagement. So we have been seeing cost management in other sessions also. So here the cost has to be engaged and it has to be planned, that the manufacturing cost, procuring cost, everything has to be managed, and the customer should ultimately get an output with valuable cost, not higher than that of our customer, means our competitor, right? Then monitor and adapt. So the strategy in the organization should be like that. We have to monitor what is wrong, where it is going wrong and everything, and change has to be adapted and it has to be evaluated and implemented properly. Measure for performance, we have to track the sales, then customer satisfaction, what is the level of customer satisfaction, then operational efficiency, where the method, everything has to be, the 5 M's is to be seen and evaluated. And this is a sample where we can see how can we manage a proper retail store strategies for outcoming thing. Then conclusion, when we see by implementing these strategies in company X, retailers can differentiate itself from competitors, enhancing the customer experience and achieve sustainable growth in sales. As we discussed in the last topic regarding the data driven decision making and supply chain resilience, so here we are talking about decision making and using data driven concepts and framing a good supply chain intent, right? So thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.